Happy Sunday, everybody. Today we're going to be out on the porch with the birds trying to capture what little sun there is. Today is Mindset Sunday, and the topic today is accountability isn't weak, it's strategic. Hi, I'm Dr. Petrilla, the Primal Professor, and this is your Daily Spoonful, a quick dose of low-carb truth to fuel your day. Let's be honest, motivation fades. That Monday morning energy, it fizzles by Wednesday. But accountability, now that's what keeps our wheels turning when life gets messy. Accountability isn't a sign of weakness, it's a smart strategy. And depending on the season of your life, it might look very different. Some of us need external accountability, a coach, a friend, or a group, someone who's waiting to hear, yes, I stayed on track today. Others thrive on internal accountability, using a journal, a tracker, or a daily log to stay honest with ourselves. Then there's visual accountability, like a blood sugar log, a progress photo, or seeing the empty pizza boxes stack up. I've been there. The point is, you're human, and humans do better when there's a plan, not just what to eat, but for how to stay committed when your willpower starts running out. So here's the daily nudge. So don't be ashamed of needing a little structure. In fact, it's a power move. Find the accountability that fits your personality and your real life. When I prepared for this, I realized that I have multiple sources of accountability that work for me. So be sure to follow along because I'm dropping a full video soon. 10 real world ways to hold yourself accountable on a low carb diet, and you won't want to miss it. Until then, hit the subscribe button and check out the Keto Basic playlist to help reinforce your foundation. I'm Dr. Rose Petrilla, the Primal Professor, and remember, discipline is great, but accountability is your backup when life gets loud. I'll see you in the next video.